Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning.
Good morning. So as you guys can see, we are of course back home. My kids are staying with the grandparents until next week. So I am at home. I've decided to go ahead and get some work done. Possibly get my office together over here. You guys, it is a mess. My kids like to play over here in my drawers, and I am constantly having to sanitize and clean everything. So I got some organizers. I got some organizers and stuff from the Dollar Tree. Just, you know, these little organizers. So I'm thinking of organizing my desk today. I mean, not my desk, but my little caddy over here. I'm thinking of organizing that. And I know I want to get some editing done. I need to edit our vlog, so you guys could just see how beautiful our trip was. We went to South Carolina, and we stayed at the Hilton Head Beach and Tennis Resort. You guys, it was so beautiful. When I tell you the kids had a blast, I had a blast. It was just a great family vacation. Like our first real vacation, just to relax, unwind, and all that, and it was awesome. So I can't wait to get that vlog up for you guys. I was supposed to give you guys a room tour. That never happened, so I'm sorry. That never happened because when we got there, my camera was in the bag. I mean, I left my camera in the bag in the car, and so I couldn't give you guys a tour when we first got there. And then I had ended up just forgetting. I wanted to give you guys a tour before we left, but then I was more so focused on making sure we didn't leave anything, making sure we had everything. So I'm sorry, but we do plan to go back. So when we do go back, I will give you guys a tour and I won't forget. But yeah, I didn't want to, you know, I don't know. I vlogged a lot, but I wanted to make it more about the kids than make it about YouTube. My oldest asked me not to work for a whole week, and so I didn't really work. I didn't vlog, but I did let her know that I would be vlogging the trip. But it was more for memories than it was, you know, for a video. So now they're with my parents, and it's just me here, and it's kind of lonely, kind of quiet, but I think I'm going to work. I got my site up this week, so my site is up, but I'm also working on another big project for my business, so I think I'm going to work on that. You guys can come with me, of course, to work. Or maybe I'll let you guys know what I'm working on. But that's pretty much it that we're doing today. And I want to get some editing done, but all my footage is actually on this SD card. So, excuse me. So if I edit, you know, you guys won't see that because this is the SD card that it's on. So, and then I possibly need to charge you guys up anyways, because it's like I have 37 minutes left on here. So maybe while I'm editing, I'll be charging you guys up. I think I'll do that. But either way, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys. So I'm so sorry. It is actually the next day. I did not finish vlogging anything. I told you guys that I was going to be editing our vacation vlog, and that's pretty much all I did yesterday, you guys. All I did yesterday was edit, and I did not film anymore. So here I am today. I have to do some editing today, but I also want to do some vlogging. So I am cooking dinner right now. I've got chili going on in my crock pot over here. So it's gonna be cooking for about 6 more hours. Got it just cooking on low, and I want to vlog today. I want to clean up and organize my office, get some more editing done, but we'll see how that goes. But let me show you guys my chili. Alright guys, so here is my chili. It is nowhere near done, but look at that. It looks kind of good, right? Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and organize my desk area because it's a mess, y'all. Like, I know y'all can see this little bit of a mess behind me, and then all this over here is a mess too. So I got some organizers from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, we're gonna get into this video as soon as I find my tripod. Okay guys, so we have to organize all of this up here. This is pretty much where I try to keep my Cricut supplies, but look, like all in here. Like, these are some of my budget binders, along with some leftover vinyl, more Cricut stuff. Like y'all, your girl needs to get her life together, and I need to get it together today. It's so much organizing that I have to do, and I'm just exhausted. So yeah, we gonna fix it though, y'all.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want.
Okay, y'all. So I finally got a little bit of organization over here. I still have to work on my desk. My desk is still a little bit messy, but I got stuff together, so I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got all this up here taken care of. So this is like, this is my baby's glasses holder. It's her spirit glasses I hold for her. But anyways, this is all my packaging stuff up here. My hand sanitizer. This is my tablet. But I got my hand sanitizer, I got my alcohol, I got my background stuff. Up here is just like my little Cricut vinyls and another thing I use for my backgrounds, and I got my poly mailers. So up here is just like what I need handy to do my packages, my sanitizing stuff, just all that. Here, my fiance got this for me. It's so organized, y'all. So I got my little tape right here. I got my business cards, my thank you cards, my pens, and my little Cricut utensils. This is everything that goes into the binder. These are the pens that I have right now to go with it. This is just like my shipping labels and my little envelopes that I have from my previous thank you cards. These are the budget binders that I have currently right now. I have green, purple, blue, and pink. So if you want one, hit your girl up. These is the 4 that I have left. Then in here, I have my little scale. This is what I use to, weigh all my ingredients for my lip gloss, but now I use it for my packages, my tape, my gloves, and then in here we just have some more vinyl. This is where I keep my receipts, so those are my envelopes for my receipts. And then under here we just have my branding stuff, so like my paper that I do myself. We have that. And then down here is just where I keep my paperwork and stuff like that. And then down here we have my bigger vinyls. More vinyls. And more vinyls. And then off to the side over here we have my little Cricut cutter and my mask. So yeah, your girl been working. I'm tired, so I'll probably just do my desk tomorrow because I have a lot of organizing to do on my desk. Just some junk that was in these drawers that I need to organize. So I'll probably just go ahead and get to that tomorrow. Your girl is tired, so yeah, I'll probably just finish this vlog tomorrow with doing my desk if I don't get to it today. I'll try to get to it today, but I'm pretty tired, so we'll just see. Hey y'all, so I just realized I skipped a drawer. I didn't go over this drawer. So this drawer is just more vinyls, and I got my tools in here, just like some little knickknacks. Some extra lip glosses that I have, and then all this stuff right here is just my extra vinyl that I have, just some vinyl scraps that can be reused. But yeah, okay y'all, so I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and do my desk now while I was in the mood for it, and it honestly didn't take as long as I thought it was. So I'm gonna just show y'all my this light off. Alright y'all, so let me stand up. This is my desk. Just like any other desk, this is my desk. So over here, this is my organizer. My nephew got it for me for Mother's Day. So down here is just some paperwork and some down here is just some paperwork and some organizers. These are 2 binders that I'm currently working on right now. I have this just as an organizer, and then up here we've got my my 2 planners. One is for business and one is for my YouTube. I got my little Cricut thingy right here, and then I just have my notebooks, and then up here I got some drawings my baby did for me. So I don't know if y'all guys even saw that. Up here I got drawings that my baby did for me, and then my labels. And then my little board, I need to have my hubby hang it on the wall somewhere. So, and then I have my Cricut Joy. And then this is the first $5 that I ever made off my business. Like, this was the first money I ever made from an order on my business. So I framed it, got a candle, got some lotion, because sometimes when I'm over here it get a little ashy. My pens, my lights. Then we got my computer, my phone, and then down here I just have my sanitization wipes, all my cords, and then my little mini press that I have to do some of my binders. But yeah. So that is pretty much it, you guys. This is my little office area. So yeah, so now it's all cleaned and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog. Thank you for hanging with your girl. Huge thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in more videos like this, more videos pertaining to my business, please just let me know down in the comments below. And I'm going to get up on off here. So if you guys have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.
When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.